Let's talk about commemorative guns. So my experience with these is going to be limited, but because I realized that there's a lot out there I haven't experienced yet, I'm looking forward to seeing what all I'm missing. I'm sure I'm missing a lot of stuff here. So commemorative guns are often specially made to either send to a third-party engraver, or if a manufacturer has the facilities, they'll send them to their own pro or custom area or custom shop to be embellished, or I don't know, sometimes they'll use better materials in the production of the thing, or they'll put the nicest parts or parts made out of different materials or coated in different colors or finishes. Then again, engraved, a lot of times set up in a presentation, sometimes a box, sometimes a display case. Commemorative guns, I think when I first became familiar with them, of course, would be watching movies and stuff, and you'd see maybe a military or competition, somebody who excelled or achieved something would be given a commemorative firearm that way. Same with swords, there's a lot of commemorative swords out there. Then when I was in Scouts, there was a few different opportunities, both through the NRA and the marksmanship stuff, through 4-H, which I wasn't directly involved in, but I was aware that they had different competitions and awards, and there would often be a commemorative gun for each of those organizations that was focused on marksmanship or firearms. Then the different areas would have maybe the ranges would compete locally, or I guess I wasn't paying enough attention to realize it was probably structured organization of the matches and things. So I knew that my uncle would win trophies and things for shotgun events, and he won a shotgun at some point. And again, I think there's a lot of potential out there for both the competition stuff for the military, and then I guess law enforcement as well. But then you'll see commemorative items for maybe the millionth gun built, or the person who developed or worked at a plant or developed a new piece of technology. They'll get the 100,000, the serial number 100,000, or the 1 millionth firearm to come out of a factory. Then there's commemoratives for events in time, sort of like other commemorative things like spoons and plates and thimbles and stuff. You'll see commemorative firearms that can be everything from cheesy to very interesting, very expensive. I'm sure I'm missing a lot. So the goal of these videos isn't to be all-inclusive as much as to inspire discussion. So we know that firearms are the focus, that property specifically is the focus of attention, of attack by the antis, people who are against our rights, our ability to own property, but also our right to individual liberty. And the firearm is a symbol of that, but it's also the tool of that, and it's also a rally call behind it. So our goal in this series is to move the Overton window, to open it, to show that firearms are much more than implements of violence, and much more than some sort of weird token of violent extremists who, I don't have any idea what they're trying to suggest. So if you have ideas about commemorative firearms, throw them in here. The whole idea is to gather comments, to inspire discussions in other platforms, in other places, in real life, at the range, at the gun show. And if you have suggestions for other topics for this Guns R series, let us know in the comments wherever you happen to watch this video. Till next time, thanks for watching.
So let us know what you think. We'll be watching the comments wherever you find the video, over on gunstreamer.com or on guntube.org.
Thank you for supporting our projects. If you'd like to buy us a cup of coffee, check out our Patreon channel.
The guys and gals of gunwebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thank you for watching gunwebsites.com.